Good morning guys, so let's take a look at what we have, starting with EURUSD. As I mentioned yesterday, we had these equal lows over here, so likely that price will come sweep that and then tap into this demand zone, and that's exactly what we just see happening here. So what I'm waiting for now is, of course, overall it would be a lot better if price came down to these areas before continuing with the overall bullish trend. But if I take a look on the 15-minute, we have a nice reaction to this 4-hour demand over here. Of course, we would need that 15-minute minor break. That's what I'm waiting for at the moment. And then we can look for possible positions from this 15-minute demand over here. Or you can also see like we have a lot of equal lows forming under here as well, so it would be nice to tap into here like that. And over on GU, let's go to the 4-hour first. We could see that we had that nice reaction to the 4-hour supply yesterday. We can even refine that like that. Tapped in, came down, initial trade idea, then I shared in the Discord, played out perfectly, although I got out at break even over here, but you could see that it reacted to this 15-minute supply and then played out pretty nicely. So currently we have a new supply zone being formed right here, so this is what we call a supply chain. Is obviously going to be very nice if price just keeps respecting the supply like that and then continuing down until we take this out. So I'll wait for price to reach in here, and then let's just get this out the way for now. And we want to identify some 15-minute supply zones. So this is not the cleanest, I wouldn't even count that, but this is pretty much the cleanest supply I can see at the moment. And we'll wait for price to come in here, potentially liquidate this zone, and we have another one down here. But obviously if we can take out the highest one, it's more high probability. This one has already been tapped actually, so price is currently holding from this supply. So if we can liquidate this as well, something like look above here and then break this low, this could also be an entry. So but obviously we need to tap back into the 4-hour zone first. So let's see, have my alert set on this supply. And for EURUSD, we're obviously expecting that move higher as well, so likely that both of those will start heading up, and then we'll get our entry from the supply. And over here, after that break, could still come down to any of these demand zones later on, or it could just push up higher to the highs of the overall range. So